iPhone 17e 5 tips, tricks and hidden features you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you just picked up the new iPhone 17e, you're in for a treat. This budget beast packs the powerful A19 chip, a stunning 48 megapixels fusion camera, MagSafe, and iOS 26 goodness. Today I'm sharing 5 super useful tips, tricks, and hidden features that will make your iPhone 17e even better. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Force 48 megapixels photos and camera tricks. First up, maximize that 48 megapixels fusion camera. Open the camera app, tap the resolution icon, or go to Settings and GT, Camera and GT, Formats, and switch to 48 megapixels high resolution. Perfect for sharp landscapes or detailed crops. Pro trick. Use dual capture and video mode, record front and back cameras at the same time. Great for vlogs or reactions. Long press the shutter for quick burst shots too. Tip 2. Master MagSafe and charging. The iPhone 17e finally brings MagSafe. Snap-on chargers, wallets, or stands for faster wireless charging. Hidden feature. In Settings and GT, Battery, enable adaptive charging to learn your routine and reduce battery wear. Also, show exact battery percentage, swipe down for Control Center or go to Settings and GT, Battery and GT, Battery percentage. Tip 3. Customize lock screen and icons. Make it yours. Long press the lock screen in GT, Customize. Add widgets, change fonts, or try spatial scene wallpapers for a 3D parallax effect. For home screen, long press an empty area in GT, Edit and GT, customize icons for glass, tint effects and color matching with your case. Super clean look. Tip 4. Action button and quick shortcuts. The action button is super versatile. Go to Settings and GT, Action button and set it to silent mode, flashlight, camera, or even a shortcut. Bonus hidden trick. Back tap in Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. Assign double or triple tap to Screenshot, App Switcher, or Reachability. Game changer for one-handed use. Tip 5. Apple Intelligence and hidden productivity. Unlock Apple Intelligence features, summarize notifications, rewrite emails, or use visual intelligence with the camera for instant info on objects, plants, or food. Also, enable call screening in phone settings to let AI handle unknown callers. And customize ringtones per contact easily in the phone app. These 5 tips will level up your iPhone 17e experience. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe for more iOS guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.